Yeah, good day everyone. This welcome to my channel. This is Debbie Wonders Media. In today lesson, I'm going to be teaching you how to create your own Gmail account. So you can see this place that is showing. You can just install the email. Once you install it and you just log in, you see where this place is showing another account. Just click on it because I have other accounts. So once you click on it, you're going to see now. You click on this Google. You set up your email. So once you click on it, it's going to come up. So it's coming up. Coming up. Network. It's coming up. Coming up. Coming up. Now you can see sign in or create this place. Now say create account. You click on create account. Now if you want to do it for your business or just for yourself. So okay, I want to create for my business. So just click on business. So you put your name. Okay, let me put my name. And you put your last name. Just put your last name. You can see that is optional. So you click on next. And showing date of birth, you can just put anyone. Just put okay. You can just leave it as custom or use it as female. You can just put female and put next. So now you see the way it came up. You can actually change it. Change the name of the business email. So change it like this. Now you can now create the one you want. Okay, which one do you want to appear? Okay, let me just put it like this. So now okay, I need to put like something like number or something. Now I have put number already. So now I'm going to put like a password. Just creating password afresh. So we don't want it to show. So I'm going to cancel it. So just create any password that you can just remember later instance. So that's for that. You continue. Okay, they're saying the password is not strong. Let's create another one. Just make sure that what you're creating something you can remember later. So that's for that. So let's continue. You can click on to see the password you've created. Understand? So it's coming up. It's coming up. So you can actually use a phone number. You understand? You can use the phone number, and I don't think I want to use phone number, but okay, let me just use phone number so you can be able to verify it. So I'm not really interested in using phone number, but let's use a phone number. So a code will be sent to you. You understand? Within 30 seconds, you're going to receive it, even less than. So once it come up, you just put it. So and remember, you can also sign up your email through Chrome. Do you understand? You can just go to email.com, something like that, and create a new email if you don't have it on your phone. So that's for that. So we are still expecting the code. It hasn't come. it hasn't come. Okay, it has come. So it's coming up now. So you can see the email now, and you can see the phone number. So that's for that. So once you're done now, you put next. You put next. So now you can, now we've set it up already. What you do is you agree. You can just click down. Okay, are you seeing it? You sing, don't save my YouTube history in my Google account. Save my, are you seeing it? So once you log in through this email now to your YouTube, you understand? So you can just say what you were interested in. So just accept. So once you click on it now, so as you're setting up this email now, you can go and access it on your YouTube. Do you understand? So I'm going to teach you how to access it on your YouTube. So once you're done with that, you're going to see it. So we cannot access it through our YouTube. So it's coming up now. About to finish setting up our email. So once it come up, you're going to see it. Now you are done with it. So that is the end of the class today. Next time I'm going to be teaching you on